Hello?
Yeah.
Can I talk to somebody who speaks Chinese, please?
I'm sorry?
Can I talk to somebody who speaks Chinese, please?
No, I cannot, so there's no Chinese people.
No Chinese?
There's no Chinese. So what kind of, problem you have?
I I know I know no English. No English. Chinese.
Where is your location?
Uh, I need to talk to Chinese.
There's no Chinese. Okay.
No Chinese.
No Chinese.
You you know speak Chinese?
No, I cannot speak Chinese.
You what you speak?
It's a Korean, yes. So what can I help you?
I need to talk to somebody who speaks Chinese. I have iPod from China.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Yeah.
My iPod from China, it's not working.
Okay. Do you know the address of our repair shop? Do you know our address?
No address. My iPod broke. It not work. It work in China. I come America, no working.
Yeah, you must come to us. Okay? You must come to us in order to check.
Can I send on mail?
No. So you buy food, okay? Walking to our repair shop. So I'm sorry, I cannot speak Chinese.
But Korea, China very close. No speak.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
No speak little.
No, I cannot.
I like somebody. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You very useless, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.